Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to talk about what is consultancy. Oh, Ever wondered why billion-dollar companies still hire consultants even though they are in the business for a long time, but they still want consultants to help them out to figure how the things work out or how to make profits, how to improve their sales and marketing group or team or whatever they want. Let's dive into it. Why companies needs consultants? So when we talk about outside perspective, sometimes what happens when you're inside the company, it's very difficult for you to figure it out where you are making the mistake. So you hire somebody from outside, that is your consultants, who are expertised in different fields. Let's say somebody is have expertise in sales and marketing, somebody has expertise in R&D, research development, somebody can have experience in operations. So what they provide is consultant provides you deep dive expertise of different sectors. Again, consultants are able to solve the problem at a very short period of time. They can solve a problem in 3 months, 6 months, and the way they solve the problem is in a very, very structurized manner. As we know, consultants have the skill of breaking down bigger problems into sub problems and figuring out the root cause problem. Secondly, the logical thinking. All consultants are able to think logically. And third, data driven. Whatever decision they make is backed with data and quantify units. Well, definition, what is consultancy? Consulting equals to structurized problem solving for organizations. What they do is identify the problem, analyzing the data, and third, recommending the solutions. Fourth, type of consultancy which is there in the market in the corporate are different type of. Let's say if we talk about strategy, which focus on business direction, we have BCG, Bain, McKinsey. Then we have management, operational, operational designs, Deloitte, PwC. Then we have tech, IT, which gets into in system, AI, digital, Accenture, IPM. Finance, may we have merger and acquisition, risk evaluations. We have EY and KPMG, which is into risk analyst, risk assessment. Then we have HR, people and culture. The process of consultancy. Define the problem. So what is the problem? Let's say is it your marketing issue? You are able to advertise your product to the right audience. If you are not able to do that, that's the problem. Second, gathering data. Okay, why we are getting wrong? What is why we are targeting the wrong audience? If, for example, our target audience are Gen Z, but we are targeting millennials, not wrong targeting audience. We shift it from millennials to Gen Z, and then we show the content according to their interest. Develop hypothesis. Okay, how we can able to grab attentions of the Gen Z? Is it through social media? Is it through ads? Is it through collaborating with influencer? That is the idea. Then we implement it, and then we test the result. Okay, 70% effectiveness can be seen in social media, 30% can be shown in advertisement through ads and through newspapers. And then we present the idea, which is more recommendable and which is more approachable to the executives of that company. What consultant actually do? Conduct research. The research they do is competitor analysis, marketing analysis, sales development, lead development, different type of aspects we talk about. Then we talk about build frameworks and models. So when you talk about framework, is it profitable framework? Is it market entry framework? Is it acquisition merger framework? So we apply different type of frameworks. Third, they create PowerPoint decks which are able to convey their idea into a very simplified form to the executives of that company and then present insights to the client. The insights are how effectively they are able to solve that problem. That can be showed through insights. Example, let's say McKinsey collaborated with Starbucks. McKinsey helped Starbucks improve quality customer experience using analytics. Result faster service, personalized offer, third, stronger loyalty program. The skills that they make great consultants. On-screen content, for example, structured thinking, communication, analytical mindset, business curiosity, and team collaboration. Why consulting is a great option? So all the future or the viewers, the audience, why you should be getting into consulting. Here's your on-screen content. Exposure to multiple industry. As you get into consulting, you will be dealing with a lot of clients from different industry. They might be from your fitness industry, their tech industry, health industry, pharma industry. So you get the experience of different sectors. Third, there is steep learning because as you get into your young and you're able to collaborate and work with senior leaders, which gives you a lot of advantages compared to your colleagues and your counterpart. High career mobility. As mobility talks about, you're going to be driving a lot to a lot of places, to a lot of companies. So you're moving around a lot of places, gaining information, gaining knowledge, connecting with people, and last, networks with leaders. As you're going to work with them, you're going to be in touch with them in different aspects. And in future, if you want to switch your careers, you can be in their contact and ask them for different opportunities in their particular sector. Summary. So consulting equals to structured problem solving. There are many firms which are specialized for different things, as I've shown you in the previous slide. That was slide number 4. How there are different aspects, that is business direction, operations, systems. Then we have what do you call mergers and acquisition, and people and culture. And then we have skills, thinking, communication, and curiosity. Thinking comes into logical, the way you think. The communication is how you're able to convey your idea in a very simpler and brief manner, which can be understood by everybody. And the curiosity is feeling the inner willingness to learn from different sectors about their working process. Next, we will be talking about how consulting firm actually works inside McKinsey, Bain, and BCG. That is the next video. So hope you guys you understood what is it's all about, and see you in the next video.